Lyco single and double drum screens reduce waste and increase recovery, allowing for the best liquid-solid separation for processing poultry. Our wedge-wire screens offer greater cleaning efficiency, and our proprietary design reduces screen blinding. Screens are available from 500 gallons per minute to 3,000 gallons per minute. Lyco's patented Traveling Spray reduces water usage with a timed clean-in-place option, and our cast stainless steel running rings last a lifetime. Lyco Manufacturing, the experts in innovative food processing machinery.